Hello everyone, today I'm gonna walk you through the steps of creating a redirect link in WordPress. A redirect link is a simple way to redirect your website visitors from one page to another. It's a useful tool, and if you want to move your content to a new URL or if you want to create a short link to a longer URL. Here are the steps to create a redirect link in WordPress. Go to plugin sections and add a new plugin. Search for redirect. Now we are going to choose the redirection plugin because it has a lot of installations and good reviews. We will activate it and go through the settings. We will start the setup. We will check the monitor permalink changes in order to see if you are going to change one URL that has been set up for redirect, and we will keep a log with all the redirects and errors. We will finish the setup and wait until it's done. Right. Now we are going to get to redirection, and into add new redirection we have the setup in order to create a new redirection. So in our page we have an old page that will be deleted, and we want to keep all the users that will try to get to this page to be redirected to the new page, which is this one. So we are going to get the URL from the source page and the URL to the new page. Keep in mind to check the ignore case and ignore slash cases to match your conditions of matching the source URL. And that's it. We are going to add a redirect. Now it has been added, and as we can see in our web page, the old page is automatically redirected to the new page. That's it, and thank you for viewing this tutorial.